Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how to create item menu to categories related items, so your floor staff easily to look for the item from our order screen. I am going to use this type of design for item menu display. Let's get started. First, use your mouse point to dedicated empty area. Right-click mouse button, hit the New Edit. Select the menu page option. Key in the menu description. Semicolon is for line break. You may use /signed if you would like to have more than one language description display. Give a subpage name for this menu button. Adjust the button height. Increase the font size. Hit the View Alternate Description button. Increase the font size as well. Select Color button. Since it's item menu, remember to tick the Always on Top checkbox. Saved it. It is done. Let's proceed to next item menu button. Use your mouse point to the button we just created and right-click. Hit the Copy. Right-click next empty area for the next new menu button. Hit the Paste and Edit. Key in the menu description. Give a subpage name for this menu button. Saved it. It is done. Repeat same step for the rest of the menu buttons. Just change the menu description and give individual a unique subgroup name. It is done. Now all your menu buttons is created. Let's give a title for each page. Right-click. Hit the New Edit. Select the menu page option. Key in the title description. Increase the button width size to cover the whole row. Select Color button. Increase the font size. Tick the bold font checkbox. Key 01 at subpage name. 01 is our top page default. Saved it. It is done. Now copy the title button. Hit the menu button. Right-click. Hit the Paste and Edit. Key in the title description. Saved it. It is done. Now test it out. You're able to know which page you are right now. When items is fully occupied the item screen area. Here is the way to create another subpage for the menu button. Key in the description. Subpage name. Increase the button height. Select Color button. Increase the font size. Tick the bold font checkbox. Saved it. Duplicate the title for the menu next page. Hit the Next Page button. Right-click. Hit the Paste and Edit. Key in the title description. Hit the View Alternate Description button. Saved it. Now test it out. You're able to know which page you are right now. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.